Does this shape look familiar? Can you think of some items that remind you of this shape? We call this shape a sphere. It may remind you of a football or even a watermelon. Unlike the cone or the cylinder, the sphere has only one surface that is curved. To derive the formula for the surface area of a sphere, we'll need to use an indirect method. We'll first find the radius of the sphere. This can be found by measuring the circumference of the fullest portion of the sphere. So, we wind a string around the fullest portion of the sphere and then measure the length of the string. In this case, the circumference of the fullest portion of the sphere is 16 centimeters. We know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Equating the circumference of the circle with the circumference of the fullest portion of the sphere, we can obtain the value of the radius as shown. Using this radius, let us draw 4 circles. Now, we take a piece of string and with the support of a nail on the sphere, we wind the string around the sphere to cover it completely. In other words, the string has covered the surface area of the sphere completely. We fill in the 4 circles that we had previously drawn with the string that was used to cover the sphere. When a circle is completely filled up, we cut the string and continue filling up the other circles with the remaining portion of the string. What do you see? The string is completely used up to fill in the 4 circles that have the same radius as the sphere, since the area of one circle is pi r squared. The area of the 4 circles is 4 multiplied by pi r squared. In other words, the surface area of the sphere is also 4 pi r squared. What happens when you cut a sphere in half? You will get half a sphere, or a hemisphere. The hemisphere has 2 surfaces, one curved surface and one flat circular surface, along which the original sphere was cut. The curved surface area is half the surface area of the sphere. So we can find the same by just dividing the surface area of the sphere by 2. To calculate the total surface area of a hemisphere, we need to add its curved surface area and the area of its circular base. We know that the curved surface area is 2 pi r squared. The area of the circular base is the area of the circle. So, the area is pi r squared. On adding the curved surface area and the area of the circular base, we get the total surface area of the hemisphere as shown.